Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring WhatsApp is updated, because features vary by version. Once updated, open the specific chat or group you want to show media for. Make sure you're in the conversation view. Tap the contact or group name at the top to open the info screen. From here, you'll access the visibility control. Do this now so the next steps apply to the correct conversation and you don't toggle the wrong setting by accident. Once on the info screen, scroll to find media visibility. It's usually under chat settings. Tap it, then choose yes or toggle on to allow media from this chat to appear in your phone's gallery. For Android, you'll see a toggle. On iPhone, you may select Save to Camera Roll. Make sure you pick the option for the chat type, individual versus group, because groups might default to hidden and require explicit enabling. After toggling media visibility, go back and download a recent image to confirm it appears in your gallery. If it doesn't, make sure WhatsApp has permission to access storage or photos in your phone settings. Without that permission, media won't save. Also check system-level settings like hidden folders or cleaning apps. If changes still fail, restart WhatsApp and then the device. A quick reboot often forces Android or iOS to refresh media thumbnails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.